So hello everyone, hope you're great. So basically in the last video I just gave a brief introduction about a website called as Coursera, from which you can just do a lot of courses, basically online courses, and you can just learn a lot according to your interest. And in this video I'll be talking about how you can just get free courses from Coursera along with the certificate. Yes, you can just get the courses for free and you can just get the certificate as well for free. So if you're interested, please continue watching. So basically there are two ways by which you can just get free courses on Coursera with certificates. Although Coursera provides you an option known as audit option, from where you can just audit the course and basically you can just see all the contents of the course and you can just give the quizzes and all the, you can just get all the reading materials as well, but you won't be getting certificate after completion of course if you do it in audit mode. So for getting certificate you might have to pay some amount to them. So even if you have completed the course, you might have to purchase certificate and you might have to give some amount like 2100 rupees. But if you want to get it for free, there are two ways. So the first way is through your university email. So basically if you are a college student and basically you have that university email, basically .edu email, so you can just log into Coursera from that university.edu email with the help of Google, and you can just see that there might be an option where your university provides some free courses, although it might differ from university to university. For example, I'm in Thapar University and our university provides one free course on Coursera in 1 year. So basically you can just do any one course on Coursera in 1 year and you won't be charged anything and you will get a certificate as well. And in some university they also give access to, I think they give access to unlimited courses as well in some university, and some of my friends from IITs told that they get unlimited access to Coursera basically during their summer semesters, or basically there might be a time period. But yes, if you are belonging to any university, there might be an option where you will be getting a free course. So basically there might be an option where you will be getting a free course from the university email, so you might want to check it out. So yeah, I'll be showing you my laptop screen now so that I can show you how I got free course from my university email ID. So yeah, let's just go. So guys, as you can just see that I have opened the Coursera from my university email.edu email, and you can just see that welcome to Thapar University on Coursera for campus basic plan. So as I just told that they provide one free course per year for one student, so you can just do any course. For example, I did a course on Python. I have completed it, but I'll be showing that how I did it. So basically these are the courses, these are just the example of courses, and these are the courses. Basically you can just do any course from it and you won't be charged anything for doing one course, and you can just do one course from it. So let me just show you how I did it. So basically this is how it shows. So basically I did a course in programming for everybody getting started with Python. So this is how it showed me. So you can just see that I just clicked on the enroll button, and you can just see that they have written that you just used your free annual course enrollment, start learning right away, and if you don't want to continue you can just unenroll within 14 days and we will store your free credit. So basically this is how I got a free course from my university email, and I also completed it, so I can just show you the certificate as well. So yeah, this is how it shows when you just get a course from your university email ID, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so I just completed the course and you can just see now it's showing completed on August 31, 2021. So I took this course on the basis of my Thapar University ID on Coursera, and you can just see if I open the certificate, so you can just see that I have completed the course and it's showing that 2-4 hours a week. That's just a normal workload they have advised to do, but you can just do it but you can just do at a speed whatever you want, and you can just see that grade achieved is 100%, and basically this is the certificate, and you can just see other things as well what you will learn. Basically it's showing about the course and you can just see the certificate. So if I want to download the certificate, you can just click here and there is a certificate. You can just download it and just show it if you want to show it to anybody, and that's how it works. If you want to take a free course on Coursera using your Thapar, or basically using your university email ID, you can just log in using your university ID, basically the Google ID that your university gives, and you can just enjoy the free course if your university provides. Our university provides just one free course every single year, so you can just do a course. Basically, you can just do a single course in an year where you can get the certificate for free, and some universities allow multiple courses as well for free, so you can just check out which university and get access to courses. Now the second way by which you can get a free course on Coursera is through the financial aid option. So basically they have a financial aid for every course they have made. So you can just fill that form, and after filling that form they will review your form, and after around 15 days you will get a response from them whether your financial aid is approved or not. So after that you can just do the course for free, and you can just get the certificate as well. You don't have to pay anything. So let me show you how you can just get a free course from the financial aid option that they have given on the website. So let's just go to laptop again. Okay guys, so basically first you have to just start a course. So I just selected this course, and you can just see that there is an option for enroll and there is an option for financial aid as well. You just have to click right here, just have to continue, and this is how it looks like. You just have to read this, and you just have to tick mark on these two options that you commit to finish the Coursera course and you share accurate information in your application. And then you just have to copy paste this right here and continue. So choosing the educational background, so basically I'm in college, so some college. Annual income you have to write 0 because you are a college student. Employment status, you can just write student here. How much can you afford, again 0. So here you can just basically write all the reasons like why you want to apply and all that, and you can just write whatever you want and whatever you just feel like. So if you're interested in a course, so you can just write why are you interested in that course and why you just want to join the course, and yes, all these things. So after writing everything, you just have to submit the application. So you can just see that we have received your financial aid application, and we'll let you know the outcome of our application on September 9. So you can just see that now I just have to wait for some time, and they will just send the mail if the application is accepted, and then I might be able to do the course for free. So basically after around 15 days I received a mail from Coursera that your financial aid is approved. So you can just see that congratulations, your financial aid application for creating and developing a tech startup is approved, and basically I can just do the course now, and I can just do it for free and get the certificate as well after completion of the course. So this is how this financial aid option works, and yeah, that's it. So if I show you my Coursera profile as well, you can just see that the course is now open, and I can just go through the course and I can just do the course as well. So I have opened the course and I can just do the course, and I can just do it for free as well. So yeah, that's how financial aid option works, and I hope it helps. So these were the methods by which you can just get free courses on Coursera, and I hope these methods helped you. And I also showed my certificate, so I hope it gave you some insights about the courses as well. So yeah, that's it, and I hope you like the video, and if you like, you can just subscribe the channel as well, and you can just subscribe the channel as well. We are near 2000 subscribers, so yeah, let's just reach that milestone soon. And if you have any other doubts, you can just comment down below, and you can just follow me on Instagram as well. You can just DM me there as well. I am happy to reply to most of the DMs. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.